Hi everyone, today with me I have this ultimate cleaning kit. It has everything you need to clean all of your electronic devices, from computers to tablets to phone to even earbuds. It truly has everything inside and it is super equipped. So first up here we have a retractable brush, awesome to clean out your keyboards. And down here you have all the tools you would need, starting with the, of course, cleaning solution for your screens. This is awesome and it's refillable and it's super tiny, so it's easy to keep compactable right here. You're also going to have a thin, soft brush. This is awesome to clean dirt on the gaps of your phone, of your screen, lens, headphone jack, or more. This one is awesome as well. It's a soft plastic lens cleaning pen. So for example, I have my phone right here, and to clean the lenses, you can use this because it's so nice and gentle, so you can really get them nice and clean. There's also some that are awesome for your AirPods. I know their gunk gets stuck in there, and you can use this soft tip right here that is pointy to really get in there and scrape everything out, along with this little brush on the side, which is awesome, especially for your phone. If it's dirty down here or on the buttons, you can clean that out with that brush so you don't damage it at all. And lastly, we have this little flocking sponge. This is awesome to clean where your headphones sit, especially if you have AirPods like me. The case gets so dirty, and this one's awesome to clean it. You're also going to receive this Velcro back brush. This is another one. It comes with one already, a little wipe as well, and this right here that is hidden is actually a key cap puller, so you can use this to remove your keys from your keyboard, and it keeps right there stored away. So it's awesome. If you flip this device to the other side and you pull this off, you also have a place to clean. Again, as I told you, it is Velcro and it does come with a replacement, so you can easily clean your screen nice and well. So let's clean mine so I can show you how well it truly works. So here I have my phone. As you can see, it's dirty and grimy and full of marks. So I'm going to remove the cap and spray the solution they provided just a little bit over my phone and wipe it down with this. Watch. As you can see, it truly worked and it kept my phone nice and clean. I definitely recommend this. You are going to find so many different items throughout your house that you can clean with this. Get all the grooves and corners, all the dust, the grime, all the built up. You can clean it with this, and it is absolutely amazing that it's compact and small and it gets the job done. I definitely recommend you guys check this out on Amazon. It is an amazing product.